So WordPress in 60 seconds or less. How to send a notification email to your customer after they fill out a form. So we're in our Gravity forms. We're on our Contact Us form notifications, and we've created a duplicate notification so that we could send one to our customer. So right here on the Send To line, we're going to change this to select a field, and then we're going to make sure that email is selected. So that's the email field from the form. And then again, we are doing it from our website address. So the from email, it needs to match the domain name that it's on. That will ensure better email deliverability to the customer. This is WordPress in 60 seconds or less. How to send a customer notification.